So if you want to ask me, around 1:30, quarter to 2 in the morning, I decided that being in a camper wasn't safe. So I ran to the car, this car, and I parked it beside the fireplace. Well, around 2:30 in the morning, the wind picked up the front end of the car. And I'm not joking. And if you see right here, that's my tires, my front tires, slipping. And they slid from there all the way back here. And the front end of the car was nothing. I had the engine running, and thank God it was a 4x4. I put it in drive, and I actually put my foot into it. And between the rocks of the fireplace and the weight on the back tires of the SUV kept me there. And that lasted about 20 minutes. This was the point where I could no longer drive out of my place because so many trees were between me and the main road, falling down, that it took me 2 days to clean them up, just enough to be able to drive out of my drive. But there was a maple tree sitting on the camper. There was multiple trees sitting on the mini home. And I don't know if you can see here, but the stump from the maple tree is still there. I still haven't gone to it. But at least now it's no danger for me or anybody else. So there was a woman that was with me at the time. Thank God she kept her calm as much as she could, don't get me wrong. I was a little nerve-wracking. And we walked away with our lives. But, if I would have taken different decisions, I can honestly say that I'm not sure if I would have been here today. So, follow your gut. Trust it. And I'm here today. And I'm happy to talk about it. Don't get me wrong. I still need some help. But hopefully I will be getting a bit more help, and between people that are offering and government help and so on, I should be in a position where my life and belongings are no longer in danger by next Sunday. So that's a good thing. So, did I say before I love these guys? Raul and that's Moses. I forgot this guy's name, but these guys are awesome. So I cleared the camper, and I cleared any tree that could fall on it somewhat. I still need to clear these ones and that one, and well, pretty much anything here. And this is a little maple tree left. That's not gonna bother anybody, and that tree that's leaning down, the birch, it's on the other side of the Lewis Lane, but everything here is on the ground. Nothing left. So this is trying to go down Lewis Road. It's not going to happen. That's what it looks like now. So if somebody wants to come down, have fun. But as you can see, my road is cleared. And yeah, that's all I have left. You can clearly see the house and the camper. There's no trees left. So if you're wondering what I did this weekend along with my compadres, well, as you can see, a bunch of logs here, and we cut down a bunch of trees. The ladder was to rope up a tree so to make sure it wouldn't fall on anything else. Yes, that actually flew all the way there. But a bunch of trees, and everything's down. And these are all branches, trunks, and as you can see, there's a bunch of trees left here. This is going down the road. And yeah. So this is a 360 of the property after 8 or 9 days of Fiona. So as you can see, solar panel broken, shed's been fixed, a few trees have been cut to at least get off the grass. The birch still attached to the root, but I haven't gotten to it yet. There used to be a bunch of trees here that are gone. All these trees still need to be cut. As you can see, there's quite the dent inside the awning. The window has been replaced with a plywood, and the corners quite screwed, and same thing for this place. There's about 3 gallons of tar sitting on the roof of this thing, and the corner, and all the way down here on the other side. This used to be full of trees. Don't be fooled. The trees that you're seeing are on the other side of the road. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trees left between me and Lewis Road. These are a few small trees left, and that's it.